we're here on a rainy day mowing. We're getting the route done in the rain. So I'm gonna show you, it is possible to mow in the rain. It takes a little more time. You gotta be more peculiar with how you go about it, because I'll show you some examples. We have new guy on the mower. This is his first time mowing a lawn twice actually. So when it's raining, let me flip it around here. You're gonna have a situation where you mow it at your typical length. So this lawn was 375, and you're gonna have clumps like this. So when you have clumps like this, you go around mowing for the first time. The second time you go around, you want to put stripes in the opposite way with the deck raised all the way up. So he's going around second, and you can see how when you have the deck lifted up, it's going to clean up all the clumps. If you cut again with the deck at the same length, it's pretty much going to cut the grass again. So you are going to have some more clumps. So you always lift the deck up. We have, as you saw right there, you saw right there how he used the flap to guard himself. He's still new, so obviously you can turn around the opposite way, but so he's still learning. So he's leaving some grass on the fence here. So you always want to turn the opposite way. You want to turn around the opposite way as the structure, so you don't blast that shit with grass. And yeah, you can see how the second cut made this look nicer. Obviously it's soaking wet, so it's not going to look the same as if you're cutting it dry. So, but if you have a full schedule of mowing, you're going to have to do this whether you like it or not, or you're going to be screwed if you skip a week of mowing, because this grass will be 10 foot tall. So here's Kevin finishing up. You can see down there he splashed some on the fence, so you got to go around with the blower and clean that off. I showed you, I'm going to be putting some clips in here of me blowing off the driveway to see how to do it. Pretty much just got to take your time and like corral the water off the driveway. Yeah, but the yard looks good. You can mow in the rain. So yeah, there he goes. See him turn around the deck. There he goes. Looking good. Still get their stripes in. All right, another tip you can do is if you cut twice and there's still some chunks in the ground, so let me show you. You do not want to leave these in the grass, like stuff like this. If the wheel mats down a chunk, you just grab your blower. Just blow that around a little and it'll take them up. If you leave those chunks in the ground, it's gonna leave dead spots in the grass. So you always want to take those out or your customers will be pissed. But if you mow in the rain, it is what it is. If they complain, you got to tell them you have a schedule you got to stick to. Yeah, I've had customers complain before, but there's really nothing we can do about it. You got to do the best you can to make it look nice with the current conditions. So yeah, but this one looks pretty good. Mowed soaking wet in the rain, so it's still getting the job done.